In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install car mods here in GTA 5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now keep in mind, mods are for offline use only. You're not going to want to use them online. And definitely don't use them in GTA 5 online, otherwise you do risk the chance of getting banned. But if you have GTA 5 open, go ahead and close out of it. We don't want to open right now because there is a few things that we're going to want to go ahead and install first. So go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice, and once you do have that web browser opened up, there's a few things you're going to want to go ahead and install. The first thing you're going to want to go to is gta5-mods.com and just search for menu 2.0. In another tab, search for Script Hook V plus Native Trainer. And then finally, for the last tab, also on gta5-mods.com, search for communityscripthookv.net. Once you do that, essentially, we're going to start with menu and work our way through. Hit download on menu 2.0 and then hit download, and it's going to pop up here. As you can see, mine is right there. What I recommend doing is just dragging this onto your desktop. In fact, drag all three of these onto your desktop once they download. For Script Hook V, hit download. It's going to redirect you to a site that looks something like this. If you just select download here, it should automatically download for you. If not, for whatever reason, you can go up to this GTA 5 option, and then from here, select Script Hook V, and it'll redirect you to another page. Just hit download here again, and once again, it'll download. If it does say keep for you, make sure you select that, and once again, just drag that onto your desktop, and you'll be good to go. And finally, for the last thing you're going to want to download is this communityscripthookv.net. Hit download. It'll redirect you to a page that looks like this. Find this option right here and just select it. And once you do that, it'll download for you. Once again, drag that onto your desktop and close out of this. Now, once you have all three of these on your desktop, what you're going to want to do is actually open up the installation directory of GTA 5. And this step is a little bit different depending on where you actually install GTA 5. If you got it through the Epic Games Launcher, simply open up Epic Games Launcher, go to your library and find GTA 5. Just click these three dots, hit manage, and then you're going to see an installation section here. Just select that just like so, and it's going to bring up the directory. Or you could just follow this path just like so. If you're on Steam, find the game, right click on it, and you're going to have like a manage game option. Simply select that and then hit browse install location or something. I think it's called that. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Now from here, go ahead and just scooch this over to the side, because what we're going to want to do, and we're going to start with this menu one, is open up this zip file. And what you're going to want to do is essentially drag two things in: menu ASI and menu stuff. Just select both of these and drag them in just like so. And as you can see, I actually already have that in here. Then you can close out of this, drag it towards like the bottom or whatever. It doesn't necessarily matter. Next, start with Script Hook V then, and open this up, and then select this little bin thing. And you're going to want to drag X input 1 in here. You're going to want to drag Script Hook V DLL in here. And you're also going to want to drag D input 8.dll in here as well. From here, close out of this, drag it down at the bottom, and then finally open up this one. And you just want to copy everything in here and just drag it in. Now, obviously, I already have that in here, as you can see. But drag all of these files in here and you're good to go. After doing that, there's really only one more step you need to go ahead and do. Go to your settings on the Rockstar Games Launcher, find BattleEye, and just go ahead and select this little like box here to turn it off, and then you can get loaded into GTA 5 story mode. Remember, this is not something you're going to want to use on online, otherwise you do risk the chance of getting banned. But whenever you do that, get loaded in, and then once you're in story mode, just press F8 and it'll go ahead and open up the mod menu, where you can go ahead and do a ton of different stuff in terms of cars, like spawn in all these custom cars or whatnot as well. Now, if you did have any questions about specific car mods, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.